In a universal Windows platform, the TextBlock class has isTextSelection enabled property. When we enable this property, the user can select the text that the TextBlock is displaying. But in a WPF, its TextBlock class doesn't have a property that enables a text selection. So what is the solution for this? The solution is WPF TextBox class. By default, the WPF text box has the text selection capability. We just need to style the text box to look like a text block. The process is very straightforward. We just need to set few properties on the text box to make it look like a text block. First, we have to set its border thickness value to 0. Then is read only property to true. I have already set its text wrapping property to wrap, then horizontal content alignment property to left, then vertical content alignment property to top. Here I have set other properties that are just for the demo purpose. On the left, this is a text block and I'm not able to select any of its text. On the right, this is a text box which just looks like a text block and I'm able to select its text. Alternatively, we can create a subclass of the text box. In this subclass, we can define a dependency property and set its value using XAML. Based on the property's value, the subclass can handle all the operations internally. I have already created a subclass. You can check the code using the link that is available in the video description.